Today we're looking at our 2021 Boston Whaler 15 Montauk. The boat has a white hull with black graphics. It's also powered by a 60 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke. It has a split bow rail option. Also includes a bow cushion, fishing package, live well. It has a sun top stereo system. It has Marine 7-inch Axiom unit in it. And it also includes the combo leaning post and console cover. Take a quick walk around here. It's your stereo, your Marine unit. Got tackle storage here on the side, forward cooler seat, cushions. Nicely equipped little boat.